Naay usa ka yoga exercise nga ganahan kay nako buhaton to help me stretch my back. Hello ladies, my name is July. Kung naghahanap kayo ng inspiration to help you kickstart your fitness journey and become the finest version of yourself, let's be friends. Kani nga exercise simple ra jud kayo pero for sure ma-stretch jud ang pinaka lalom nga muscle sa imong buko-buko. So, dali ra kay ni siya buhaton. Imong itaas imong duha ka kamot, balihon, tapos ilak nimo silang duha. Inhale og dako, tapos itaas. O keep your balance and try to bend back as much as you can. Try to relax as well. And then, imo na siyang murang balikuton and then muyuko. Relax, dinhi, ginhawa og lahom, i-stretch ang imuhang buko-buko ug ang imuhang liog, then repeat the same position. Stretch gyud hantod sa tama nimo ug unsay komportable para nimo, tuyoko ng kamot, yuko og balik. Relax, ginhawa og lahom, and repeat the process. This is so simple, so quick, but also so effective. Try this ninyo mga ladies and let me know how you feel after doing these very simple and quick yoga stretches that I love to do, and I hope you also find this helpful. Bye for now.